Yo, what is up, guys? Serg exclusive here. In this video, I'm gonna tell you what is affiliate marketing and the best ways you guys could get started with affiliate marketing. So stay tuned. Alright guys, before we get into this video, the first thing you guys should do is subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell because I will be posting content every Monday and going live every Thursday. So you guys have any questions for me, feel free to leave a comment down below. And also, if you need questions and you need to ask them on live, all you gotta do is make sure you guys are into that live stream. And let me tell you a little backstory of myself. Go by Serg Exclusive. I'm a 24-year-old entrepreneur, trying to follow my dreams on becoming affiliate marketer. So, I barely started this journey. I've been obsessed with creating passive income for almost 6 years. Trying to make money online, kind of sort of thing. So this channel is about everything entrepreneurs. Let's get started with this video. So what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is basically referring people to other people's products. Or let's say, let me give you an example. Let's say you go with your friends out and you guys are trying to choose a place to go eat. And you guys are referring places, let's go to this place. I've been to that place. I really like the food there and we should just go eat there, and you guys go to that place. That's referring people to that restaurant. So that's what affiliate marketing. But affiliate marketing, you don't get paid to refer people to that restaurant. But affiliate marketing, you get paid from other companies for you to promote their products or give reviews about their products. So affiliate marketing is basically the same thing you do, referring to other people's products, like to other people's restaurants, but you get a link. So that's a unique link specifically for you, so you guys could so you guys could earn money with affiliate marketing. That's what affiliate marketing is. So you just get a unique link and you send people to that link, and every time someone clicks through your link, you get a commission out of it. So yeah, that's basically what affiliate marketing is. In a few minutes, I'm gonna tell you guys I'm gonna go into my computer and tell you guys what affiliate program you guys should go use if you guys are barely starting off. So I'm gonna tell you guys the 3 ways you guys could, the best 3 ways you guys could start with affiliate marketing. One way is if you have no money down, if you have no money in your pocket, you have $0 to start off, you could basically create a YouTube channel and just review products. Let me go to my computer real quick and give you guys an example on what I mean by this. Alright guys, we're into my laptop, and this guy, he's reviewing products of headphones and all that stuff, and as you can see, he's reviewing all he does is reviews headphones and tech and all that stuff, and he uses Amazon associates to do that. So let me give you guys an example. Look, he has a US and international pricing. That's basically an affiliate link right here. As when you click on it, it sends you directly to Bose sound, what he was promoting. So what he was reviewing. So that it'll load up real quick, and yeah, look, he was reviewing these headphones. He was giving his opinion on them, and that's basically it. What you guys are doing. I know you guys might be a little bit iffy, like I don't want to show my face. You guys do not have to show your face at all. I know a few affiliate marketers that do not show their faces. All they do is do voiceovers on the products. All they gotta do is show the products, and just basically it. Look, he just shows his face for a few in the beginning, and then he just voiceovers everything with just showing the products basically everywhere. You pretty much don't have to use your face at all if you guys don't want to show your face. You could use this one. All right, guys, let me show you what is the best affiliate marketing program to start off with. So the one I highly recommend if you guys are completely new to start off with Amazon Associates. Amazon Associates, is up to 10%, and you could promote anything, any niche you guys have to promote. They give you up to 10% advertise fees. And if you guys want to know more about the advertisements fees, just go to click learn more, and let me see, and just click on advertising fees, and it should pop out, and it'll take you to this page, and you can see the 10% is luxury beauty, Amazon coins, luxury homes, and home improvement is 8%, headphones, beauty music, music instruments 6%, and so forth and so forth. And the best thing about the Amazon Associates program is that it has a 24-hour cookie for you. If someone clicks in your link and they buy a product, a product through there, it doesn't have to be the ones that you are promoting, but it's only for 24 hours. If they buy the product that they bought it through your link and it's been between 24 hours, you get a commission out of it. It doesn't have to be the thing that you guys are reviewing, you guys are promoting. You get commission out of anything they purchase through there. And that's the amazing thing. Like, let's say you guys are selling headphones or promoting headphones that are like $300 $300 a pop. So it's 6%, right? So 300 times 6%, that's $18 right there. $18, which is not bad. $18, that's not bad to start off, if you guys are doing furniture home improvements, 8%. Furniture's 8%, and furniture's pretty expensive. So 8% on that. Pets products, it doesn't have to be anything that it doesn't have to be the only thing that you guys are promoting. If you get a link from that headphones, it doesn't have to be just those headphones and that's it. It happens whatever they buy with Amazon. That's why I recommend starting off with Amazon Associates, because you could do any niche with Amazon Associates. And yeah, so the second thing is, and you could actually combine it with the first thing. The second thing is, if you have $100 in your pocket and you want to invest it in your business, you could create a sales funnel, and you could create you guys could create a website. A website, and it's actually everything is under $100. You guys could create a website like about $71, and you could also create a sales funnel, and that one's monthly. It's below 97. It's below 97. I think it's $97. Yeah, it's $97 to create a funnel. But it's pretty easy, guys, to create a website and a funnel. But whatever you guys want to do, you guys could create the website if you guys want, or you guys could create a funnel. But you could also combine it with the free method, where you guys could create a YouTube channel, and it's pretty easy to do that. Creating a YouTube channel is completely free to do it. And yeah, those are the second way. Let me show you an example of how you guys could do this. Let's see if he has a website. Yes, he does. All right. So as you can see here, his website is called jimmysreviewroom.com, and he has his website of all his content on YouTube, and he has blog posts. He has people who write blogs and stuff like that. It's pretty neat, pretty outstanding. And again, you don't have to show your face. All you gotta do is show the tech. But this guy wants to show his face. You guys could do that too, but just show your tech, and that's it. That's all you gotta do. Show the product. So that's a pretty good example. The third method is if you have money down. Let's say you guys have a $500 to $1,000 on you, and you want to invest all that money in. You guys could invest in a mentor, invest in ads, and invest in the websites, all that stuff. Invest in sales funnels. Invest in. You guys could invest in a lot of things. But my suggestion is to invest in a mentor. There's a lot of gurus out there that don't really do good mentoring, but some might just do your reviews before you guys. Do your research before you guys. Do your research before you guys invest in a mentor. But yeah, you guys could do all that stuff to invest in a mentor. And I have a mentorship. Well, not really a mentorship. You guys could ask me questions. I've gone through a lot of mistakes in my path, and I learned from them. So you guys feel free to ask me. So yeah, guys, those are the top three ones that are the best ways you guys could get started with affiliate marketing. How you guys could get started with affiliate marketing. Those are the three methods that I recommend for you guys to start affiliate marketing. And there's also another one. This one goes for the second method. If you guys have $100 down, I actually done this challenge before, and I'm actually giving free bonuses to people who sign up through my link. If you guys want to learn more, all you gotta do is click the link down below, and I'll tell you what the bonuses are in a few. But just let me get into the box real quick. So this is what I mean. It's called the One Funnel Away Challenge. If you guys, is hosted by Russell Brunson. If you guys don't know who that is the inventor of ClickFunnels. And the inventor of ClickFunnels, ClickFunnels is a sales funnel software you guys could create your sales funnels in, and that's what I use. So ClickFunnels is one funnel away challenge. Is whatever products, it just doesn't have to do with affiliate marketing. If you have a business and you're running a business, you guys need to do this challenge. It's pretty amazing what you get for $100 just to doing on what you guys be doing in that challenge, in the One Funnel Away challenge. It actually gives you, here's an idea for you guys what they give you. What you go for the first week pre-training, then the week 1 hook story offers, all this stuff. Week 2, week 3, week 4, week 5, 30-day training. It's pretty amazing what they go over. But if you guys sign up through me, besides this content that he's going over, Russell Brunson, and you guys will also be getting my bonuses. If you sign up with me, you guys will be getting the Google Ads training, YouTube Ads training, and Facebook Ads training, and you guys will also get the most profitable niches list that I went over, and I found out which ones make the most money. There's 7 niches in there that you guys could go into, and you guys will also get a email sequence on promoting a software. And yeah, guys, so those are you guys are having 5 extra bonuses. And if you guys want to know more, just click the link down below. I have it. I have everything there for you guys to learn more about it. But yeah, guys, so hopefully this video helps you guys out on what is affiliate marketing and the best 3 ways you guys could get into it. So yeah, guys, this wraps up today's video. So hopefully this helped you guys out. If it did, smash that like button. Also share it with anyone who ever wants to get into affiliate marketing and they don't know what it is. Just send them this video. If it helped you guys out, it'll maybe help them out too. So subscribe to my channel. Like I said before, I am gonna be posting every Monday at 8 a.m. and also going live on Thursdays. I'm not sure when I'll be going live on Thursdays. But follow me on my social medias at Serg Exclusive, Instagram, Snapchat, to know when I'm gonna be going live, because I will be posting there. I'm going live like in 30 minutes, 25 minutes, 10 minutes, so you guys could keep knowing when I'm gonna be going live. And yeah, so thank you for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Peace.